We started with mimosas at the station while waiting to board. You need a physical ticket to board even if purchased online. While boarding, they take a photo available for purchase later. We arrived to our table to find sparkling wine poured for us and bread just before we chose our appetizers. Then we ordered a flight of wines to taste and were served lunch.
How do you like it, babe?
For our lunch main course, we ordered Grandma's red wine braised beef short ribs and the grilled beef tenderloin.
Like that Chardonnay?
I do love it.
Just like you like your husband.
I love you.
My 25s.
About 1 hour down the tracks, the train stopped right at the Grgich Hills Winery. We took a short walk through the grounds, to the vineyards, into the cellar, and into the wine tasting room, where we sat down and received 3 more wine tastings. After about an hour at the winery, we returned to the train.
I did. I tried it both ways. Oh yeah, Napa Valley Wine Train. So how was it?
Amazing. Really liked the winery. Glad we did that.
It was fun.
Got off the train.
Loved it.
Learned something. Felt fancy. Special.
No, but we'll find it.
Coffee in Napa.
After the train ride, we went to downtown Napa, got some coffee, and walked to a bookstore.
My boot wing closed. Thank you, Siri.
Okay, here's the garage. We're almost there, babe.